Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing well. So today I'm going to make a very easy and delicious recipe for you guys, which calls Quiche Lorraine. It's a French recipe. Basically it's from a French region. The region calls Lardon, and it's a specialty from there. So let's make the recipe, and you just need a few ingredients, and it comes out very delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. Okay, so first of all, I took here like 6 eggs, not whole 6 eggs. I took 3 whole eggs and 3 just the yellow part, the yolks. Okay, 3 whole eggs and 3 yolks. And I've got some cheese here and cream liquid. Now first of all, I'm going to add some of salt, just a little bit of salt, because we are going to add some lardo in it. So the lardo is already salted, so just a little salt, white pepper, half teaspoon of white pepper, and just little amount of paprika powder. Here, and we are going to add some liquid cream in it. It's a huge cup. Let's see. Okay, half cup cream liquid, and now we are going to mix it with a mixer. You can mix it with your hands too, as you feel comfortable. Okay, so as you see, it's mixed well. Now I'm going to add some of nutmeg powder, just a very small amount because it's very strong. This much, 1/4 of teaspoon. Mix. So I mixed it well, and now we are going to make lardo. So let's get to the lardo. Okay, so now I've got some lardo, like it's a huge cup of lardo, and you have to do like stir them well until they get golden brown. So I turned the heat on, so let's see how much time they take to get golden, and after I'll show you. Okay, so my lardo are perfectly done. This way they released all the fat from them, and I'm going to add the fat too in the quiche. If you don't want to add the fat, you can like avoid the fat and put the lardo, but I'm going to add the fat too, because it will give the more taste to the quiche. So let's continue with the recipe. Okay, I'm going to add the lardo in this mixture of eggs and cream which we made. Here it goes. Okay, now what you have to do is you need a pastry puff, and we are going to put this mixture in a pastry puff. I'll show you how. So here I've got the ready-made pastry puff, so I'm going to place it in the dish. Okay guys, so as you can see, I placed it in a dish like this, and now I'm going to cut the extra paper out. Now I'm going to add the mixture of the cream, lardo and the eggs in this. And spread the lardo to the surface equally. Okay. So here is an option. If you want to add cheese, you can add, but if you don't want to add cheese, it's good without cheese also. I am going to add some cheese. Here I've got some emmental and mozzarella. Yep, mozzarella shredded like this, and I'm just going to put a handful of cheese right like this. It's optional, right? Okay, now I'm going to place this in my oven just for 25 to 30 minutes, and after that I will show you how it comes out. Look, now we are going to put this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, right? I'll show you after that. So here it is. Look, I sliced out the quiche and place it with some salad and tomatoes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.